Hello, this is how to print out the PDF patterns from my Etsy shop. It's recommended, and honestly, you need Adobe Acrobat Reader, which is the free PDF viewer if you don't already have Adobe Acrobat. This way you can be sure when you print out the file, it's not going to get resized, because I know if you double click the file, it might open it in your internet viewing window and you can print from here, but a lot of the times when people print from their internet viewer, the file gets resized. So it's best to just download Adobe Acrobat Reader, the free PDF viewer, if you do not already have Adobe Acrobat, okay? And then I'm gonna go File, Open, and I have my clown pattern already downloaded. Okay, so here we go. So if you notice on my PDF patterns, the lines go all the way to the edge. Now, when you print this out, your printer is going to have margins. So your printer will not print this line to the edge, but that line still exists. And I do this on purpose because we print this out all the time in my classroom, and it's so much easier for students to just butt two pages together and tape it together. They don't have to worry about overlapping the paper and lining up lines. They just match the raw edges of the paper and tape it together. And yeah, they're not gonna see the lines printed. It is gonna be white, but as long as you match up the paper, I mean, you can get a pencil and draw the line that's not printed, but they do connect. So it is a little bit different than other PDF patterns that you can get on Etsy, but honestly, it's so much faster and easier to tape together. Even though you're not gonna see this little line, you just line them up, okay? So just notice these lines go all the way to the edge of the paper, and your printer cannot print to the edge because it needs to feed it through. Okay, so anyways, I'm in Adobe Acrobat, and now I can go File, Print, and then, okay. Do not see how it defaults to fit. We don't want to fit it to our paper. We want to print the actual size. The pattern maker here worked really hard to print to get the right size. So have your printer print actual size. This is another common mistake, is that people will print it to a different, rescale it. So make sure it's actual size. Right now, this is letter size paper, which is what I have, 8.5 by 11 inches, and all I have to do is print. Now this is 56 pages, so it's an awful lot. So go ahead and say print, and then go ahead and grab it from the printer. Line them up, do not overlap, just line them up and tape them together. This is the margin. The printer cannot print the margin. You can fill it in yourself if you like, but do not overlap.